What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kamaria Janelle. I am a 28-year-old stay-at-home mom, and as you guys read by the title, today we're going to be doing a deep clean. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is tackle the refrigerator because look at this mess, y'all. I didn't let pile up. So I already had took out the drawer at the bottom because I was already trying to work on that and clean it. So I was just trying to go ahead and clean that out. And yeah, I'm just going to take everything about the refrigerator so that I can really get in there and deep clean. And look at me, I'm already taking a sip of my coffee because it's gonna be a long night. I already can tell. This is like 3 days worth of pile up that I didn't let pile up on me. Usually I kind of keep things together, but I have been dealing with a little bit of postpartum depression. And this is only the first bag, so now we're just gonna keep moving. So guys, make sure that you're checking dates, and if the stuff looks old, throw it out. I know that sometimes we kind of go off the expiration date, but not me. I kind of just go with the flow, and if it looks old, then it probably is old, and I just throw it all away. So I'm going to go in with some Dawn antibacterial soap, some hot water, and some bleach to clean the refrigerator out. And to be quite honest, it's not really that bad. It's just, minor spills that we kind of just let pile up. And as you guys can see by first glance, you would think it would be so hard to get this up, but it actually wasn't. Like, it came up really quick. And boom, good as new. It looks so good. So now I'm just going to take everything that I took out the refrigerator and put it back in before it spoils. So that's what I'm about to do here. And because we buy 2 cases of water, I like to take 1 case and fill it up in the refrigerator because sometimes I don't always like to drink cold water. So it's like an even trade. I kind of just take 1 whole case and fill it up in the refrigerator and then leave the other case out just in case I need it for like tea or coffee or anything like that. And I'm just going to put the apples and oranges up. So moving on, I'm just going to remove the chairs and remove everything that's on top of the table so I can clean it. And I'm just going to take some glass cleaner to clean my table off. And all you really need is 2 paper towels. I don't know how many times I've seen people waste paper towels just to clean a small table. Like, you gotta use the rest of that paper towel. And I'm just gonna put everything back on the table nice and neat. I'm also gonna light this candle because it smells so freaking good, and it's just gonna set the mood even more. And even though the floor looks clean, I'm still going to sweep anyway because I'm going to mop afterwards. And I just want to make sure that I'm picking up any formula that I may have spilled on the floor because my baby is crawling and we are typically in the kitchen. So I'm going to make sure that I sweep up anything that I see on the floor. All I really need to do for the countertops is kind of wipe them down. I usually pull the microwave out and remove everything from on top of the countertop, but I know it's already clean. I just have to wipe up old formula that I kind of spilled during the middle of the night when I have to make a bottle. So I'm just going to use some Spick and Span and some Fabuloso to clean the countertop. Can't forget to take my vitamins, so since I'm up already, I'm just going to take 2. DeAndre is being a trooper, so he's staying up with me, and I just asked him if he wanted some. He declined, so I'm just gonna eat my vitamins and drink my water. And I really enjoy using this mop because it doesn't require me to do much. I just use the little thing that's on top to kind of squeeze it out. And I got this from the local dollar store. I also make sure to pull the garbage can out because we don't want old food sticking to the floor. Okay, kitchen, okay, floors, come through. So getting right into the living room, as you guys can see, we got toys everywhere, pillows, wipes. It's just a lot going on. So I'm just going to pick everything off the floor and then, put some things up, reorganize. And I'm noticing how many blankets we have. Like, we truly love to feel that cozy fall vibe for real. Just so you guys know, I truly love this organizer. It's literally been the best thing that I could have got since having my son. It really comes in handy, and I really use this thing every day. And I'm just going to flip these pillows up and make them look more put together and nice and neat. And I would like to find some good couch spray. So if you guys know any good fragrances that I can use or couch cleansers, let me know, comment down below. I'm going to make sure I pull the rug up so that it can look more even. So the bathroom is not terrible, but we do want to go ahead and clean it. So I'm just going to start by taking everything off the sink first, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the sink because there is a lot of leftover hair and just debris that has gotten stuck inside the sink bowl. So I'm just going to run the water and clean that out. I do like to use either a new towel or a new sponge to clean the bathroom, but we did have new sponges, but unfortunately when you live with a man, things get misplaced all the time. So I just went ahead and used this new towel to clean the sink out. And guys, I'm trying this new cleaning method where I don't really worry about water getting on the floor. I kind of just do my thing, and if water gets on the floor, then that's fine because either way it's going to get mopped up. And honestly, that has caused me so much less stress. So I don't know if many people do this, but I've seen this done in other videos. So I kind of just wanted to try it for myself. And yeah, it's so much easier. Okay, so onto the tub, I'm just going to take some antibacterial soap, some bleach, and I'm also going to use some ammonia to just make sure I deep clean that bathtub. And I'm not using a lot of this because we know how strong ammonia is, so just a little cap full, and that's it. And I'm just going to wipe everything down. So now that all that water has drained out, I'm going to use some Drano because our sink has been getting clogged up. And usually it's because, I do my hair in the mirror. So I'm just going to use some of that in the tub as well, just to make sure I declog both drains. And the maximum Drano actually works really well. This is my second time using it. So 10/10 for me. And I'm going to go in with a different towel to clean the toilet. And take the same products that I use for the tub and clean all around the toilet as well. And don't worry guys, I will be throwing this towel out once I'm finished. But like I said, we didn't have any sponges. Well, we did, I just couldn't find them. So I'm just going to use this towel. And normally I would use the Clorox spray, but we actually ran out, so I'm just using what we have. And I'm just using this toothpaste holder to kind of rinse off the toilet. And like I said before, not really worrying about the water. And like I mentioned in my last video, make sure you're wrapping that plastic bag and tucking it. I did wait a little while before putting the bathroom rug down, so just so you guys know, it was not wet. So I did wait until it dried. So you do have to let Drano sit for a while and then use hot water for the best results. So look at that. This is old debris and particles that accumulated over time. Okay, so that is it for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys made it this far, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so much. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far. It really, really means a lot to me. So yeah, I think I'm definitely about to take a shower now. See you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys. I love you guys.